Hey up everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my Takeaway food review channel. So today everyone, I am on Stanyforth Road in ATTERCLIFFE to try out this place that you've been saying does amazing pizzas, apna style pizzas, normal pizzas, doner, burgers, you name it. But you've also been saying that their curries, their authentic homemade curries are amazing, so that's why I'm here. So I've just been up to the counter, fantastic menu, ATTERCLIFFE Spice, been open 1 year now, so I've ordered what I'd normally like to order if it's on the menu, an apna style pizza. So that is the ATTERCLIFFE special pizza, onions, peppers, tikka, sweet corn, mincemeat and green chilies. So that is $6.99 for a 12-inch. I've also ordered their stir-fried doner. So I've gone for a large portion, $6.99 on chips. So I've also just ordered what I just said, their authentic curries. So I've ordered a lamb karahi on bone. So that's a normal portion is £8.50, so that's what I've gone for. They do a lamb karahi half portion for £15 and a 1 kg portion for £26. Authentic homemade lamb curry, so cannot wait. They also do chicken karahi boneless, shinvari chicken, butter chicken. They do the dal mash, dal chana, saag, chicken biryani, which I've also ordered, so that's £6.49. Roti naan. So great choice of menu. ATTERCLIFFE Spice also on the menu. I've got a massive choice of burgers, so chicken fillet burgers, the normal beef burgers, they do chicken tikka burgers, chicken steak burgers, veggie burgers as well, doner burgers, you name it. One that I like the look of, and maybe next time, the fire fillet burger, so that sounds really nice, and a crispy heaven. So great choice of burgers. They also do great choice of kebabs, so I've ordered the sizzling doner, but they also do the doner meat kebabs, mixed kebab, large mixed kebab. We've got a great selection of peri grilled chicken. So you've got a choice of lemon and herb, mild, hot or extra hot. So you've got a choice of full chicken, half chicken, quarter chicken, peri rice, wings, strips. You've got a mini platter as well choice. You've got a peri single platter and a peri mixed platter. So fantastic choice of menu. And then on the back, you didn't even see that, on the back you've got fried chicken, you've got some starters, some seekh kebabs, samosas, freshly made samosas, and then a few desserts cans, and then got some box meals as well. So massive choice on their menu. So ATTERCLIFFE Spice on Stanyforth Road, so it's really, to be fair, on ATTERCLIFFE Road, right on the corner. Do their own delivery service, also Just Eat and Uber Eats. Open 7 days a week. So the food has just arrived to the table at ATTERCLIFFE Spice in Sheffield. Amazed. So much food, and the food looks and smells absolutely amazing. Look at this, stir fried doner. So it's piping hot. I'm just going to have to go into that straight away. Look at that. Wow. It's nice. Beautiful sauces on there. Got chili sauce. It's served on chips, or you can have it on an amber. Oh. Standard fries, but really nice, crispy, fluffy, but piping hot. The doner just works. It's like a sweet chili sauce, I would say, but a lot of heat level. And if you want it more spicier, this is their in-house chili sauce at ATTERCLIFFE Spice, and then they've got the desi mint yogurt chutney. Onto the apna style pizza, the apna pizza. So a 12-inch. Let's just give it a go. Topping coverage, good. Base colour, cracking. So tikka, mince, chilies. Let's just see. Very, very decent pizza. Spice level's good. Very nice. It hasn't got that cheese ball that I imagined, but what it has got is banging flavour. The tikka is beautiful. The mince is stunning on the pizza. It's a very, very decent apna style pizza. So, great pizza. Like I said, didn't have that cheese ball that I thought it might, but it delivered on all flavour points. Taste, flavour, quality is right up there. So they're giving me a piece of the masala fish that they do here. Piping hot. Oh. Nice, decent. Very, very good. So on here, homemade samosas, so chicken samosa, you've got the veg samosa, chicken kebab, seekh kebab, and then some pakoras, onion bhajis, what you call, yeah. Let's just try it. Homemade pakoras, veg pakoras, really nice. Crunchy, crispy, great inside. So not raw, being fried to perfection. Great flavour, great spice level, great coriander coming through. Obviously onions, but the spices are banging. Try the chicken seekh kebab now. In the desi yogurt. This chicken seekh kebab is banging. Chili and the yogurt together. Great chicken seekh kebab. They don't serve lamb seekh kebabs here, so I thought I'll try the chicken seekh kebab. They're really nice. Good samosa. Great size. Homemade pastry. Not frozen pastry. Homemade. So this is the chicken keema. Chicken mince. Really decent. Pastries on point. Great pastry. Filling nice, nice spice level. Got good flavour, got potatoes in there. Got obviously the chicken mince keema. And this is the veg. That's the veg. Let's try it. Very, very decent starters. Just get my trusted friend Rubicon Mango open. I missed him, not had him for a few videos. We're going to have to go into this first. The chicken biryani, homemade again, on the premises. So, this chicken biryani, the aroma that's coming from the chicken biryani is second to none. It looks amazing. The fragrance is magnificent, what's coming from the biryani. Slow cooked. Chicken off the bone. Let's just see how good it is, first bite. Delicious. Chicken biryani for me, on its own, is a yabba dabba do. 100%. I'm just going to have a bit of this yogurt mint chutney on the side. Doesn't actually need it. I love yogurt with biryanis, and it will be nice. The oil and so on is banging as well. Oh, great chutney, great yogurt. Let's just try it with the biryani itself. Wow. Blown away how good that is. The spice level on that chicken biryani is amazing. Banging heat level. But the flavours, the spices, magnificent. What I'm wanting from a chicken biryani, from a biryani anyway, but from a chicken biryani, is delivering on all flavour profiles possible, and that's why it's got a yabba dabba do. So now on to the lamb karahi, homemade, in-house, on the bone. Got juliennes of ginger on top. I asked for spicy, so you don't have to have it spicy. I asked for spicy. Great oil separation. The lamb karahi at ATTERCLIFFE Spice, they do the normal portion size, half kg and the 1 kg. So for me, yeah, for my big boy, this is enough, especially with the apna style pizza, the chicken biryani, the samosas, pakoras, kebabs, stir-fried doner. It's enough. The aroma coming from the lamb is amazing. So I think I'll try the naan first. So cooked in the clay oven, tandoor. So let's just get straight into it. The lamb karahi, how it should be eaten. They've given me plates, but I want to eat it the proper way. So straight into the karahi. It's got chilies on there. Oh, I cannot wait. You know what? That is a very, very good lamb karahi. Like I said, it's got the oil separation. Fantastic garlic, ginger, chilies, flavour profiles. The lamb has been cooked to perfection. Not tough at all. Just gonna try the tandoor roti as well. So they do rotis or naans. So let's just try it with a roti. Good sized pieces of lamb as well. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Great, great. Lovely pieces of lamb. Like I said, cooked on the bone. It's got full flavour. That's very, very decent. That's right up there. For, I would say, a small takeaway diner, delivering food on this quality, taste, flavour, is amazing. Absolutely stunned. Absolutely amazing. They're also giving a plate of salad. I know I'm not usually that keen on my salad, but try a little bit. Very fresh. So I've been good. I've had a bit of salad. But honestly, my big bad boy, my tummy has really enjoyed the food today at ATTERCLIFFE Spice. Amazing. Amazing to think that a small takeaway diner is producing this good quality tasting food. Price on point as well, so you're not paying high price. So great flavours. So I started off with the stir-fried doner, fantastic flavour, taste, quality. I then went on to the apna, the ATTERCLIFFE apna pizza. Great flavour, great heat level. Chicken tikka, the mince, the flavours of the chilies, everything worked. I then had the chicken samosa, beautiful, homemade, great flavour profile. Very, very nice flavour, the keema, the spices in there. The pastry was unbelievably good. Homemade on the premises, and you could taste it. Cooked to perfection. The veg samosa also very, very good. Same pastry, amazing. And the filling, very, very decent. The chicken seekh kebab, I was blown away. Because like I said, I normally like lamb seekh kebabs, but the chicken seekh kebab was very, very tasty. Lovely flavour. Spices, the coriander, I think onion in there as well. Really, really worked, and it was on point for me. Really good chicken seekh kebab, delicious. I also tried the fish masala piece, beautiful. Yeah, really recommend that. And then the chicken biryani, unbelievable. That was a yabba dabba do for me. That was outstanding. It delivered for me on biryani. Taste, flavour, profiles were on point. The quality on point, and I could not fault the chicken biryani at all. So altogether, for the lamb karahi, the chicken biryani, the apna pizza, the stir-fried doner, and the naan bread and the roti, it was just over 30 quid. So fantastic value for money. I mean, that's a lot of food. Yeah, that can serve a decent family. They also gave me, just to try, the chicken samosa and the lamb samosa that they just freshly made. So they wanted me to try it out and just see what I thought, and they're great. And the chicken seekh kebab was great, and the pakoras were great. So, honest star rating of ATTERCLIFFE Spice for me is a solid 9-star rating. Really, really enjoyed the food at ATTERCLIFFE Spice. The flavours were on point. The price point is on point. Great service as well. I mean, the owners inside ATTERCLIFFE Spice, very, very friendly, welcoming. It's very, very cosy inside, so if you want to sit inside, please do. Please let me know what you think of ATTERCLIFFE Spice when you come and try it, because I am recommending you to come and try their food out. So whether you like pizzas, kebabs, curries, you name it, you come along, come and try it, and let me know what you think. And if you agree, if you don't agree, it'll be great to have your comments and your feedback from you. So, fantastic. I'll just have another sip of the Rubicon. My favourite Rubicon mango. My number one drink. Love it. So, until next time everyone, you look after yourselves, take care. Keep on recommending fantastic places for me to go to. So where's next for me? You let me know where you want me, and I'll go there. So thank you for your banging support for Starmy Takeaway Food Review channel. Thank you for the support that you're giving me, because that is enabling me to do more and more videos for you to enjoy. So until next time everyone, you look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next Starmy Takeaway Food Review.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.